honey jerk pork. I know pork's not for everybody, but oh, look, you see the ribs there, people. Jesus Christ. All right. Fully active people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Today, people, we are cooking jerk pork, honey jerk pork. As you can see, I've got a big slab of pork belly. It's got the ribs and everything on it. Look at the size of that. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be cooking today, people. Honey jerk pork. So for the seasoning, people, I've done this so many times, the jerk seasoning. Fresh thyme, yeah, fresh, I got mine from the garden. Scallion, fresh. 1 onion, fresh. Couple cloves of garlic, fresh. Scotch bonnet, fresh. And then you put some of your jerk seasoning in. You know what I'm saying? This ain't the best one, but yeah. Now, obviously, today we're doing honey jerk. You understand? So after you've got all this mixture together, what you're gonna do, excuse me, sorry about that, is add some honey into there. I've never actually done honey jerk pork before. I've never done honey jerk before. So this is the first one for me. Let's go, people. Yes, people, so this is where I come, big up the boss. Respect every time. So this is where I come to get all my meat, people. Closest to me, closest place I can get like oxtail, goat, curry goat. Today, I'm gonna show, so I've got some oxtail today, but I've also got a big bit of pork. Actually, let's use that for this episode. Jerk pork. So this is, I've got a nice big slab, do you know what I'm saying? But it's really nice in here, all the meat's nice and fresh, and here, look, I'll show you over it. Look at that, people. We're not quite doing it that size. Maybe next time. But for now, we've got a nice one here. That size. Some honey jerk pork. All right, let's add some of that honey in there now. Get that all in there with the seasonings. Want a good bit in there. Yeah. All right, let's give this a blend up, people. I've got to tell you, people, a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of white vinegar, and a little bit of water. As you can see, marinated, rubbed it into every crevice and corner. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do here, people, is we're gonna put a little bit more honey over there. You can see the ribs part there. Yeah. And all that fat bit at the bottom there. Get some more honey over this. I can't remember to say a honey jerk pork. Yeah, that is it. Get this mixed in, and then we're gonna put the wet seasoning over the top and let that marinate. Look at that, people. Yeah, proper bit of pork that. So now we've got the wet seasoning. Tip all that over this. Yeah, good vibes. Yeah. Let that marinate for a few hours, people. A good few hours. Yeah, honey jerk pork. Been marinating for hours now. You see me? Yeah. Give this all like a proper like mix and rub in now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Jerk pork, people. Mad thing. All right, so now it's time to get this baby on the heat. There we go. Get some more of that seasoning on top of there. Yeah. Good vibes, people. That is it. Low and slow, low and slow, you know what I'm saying? Fully active, people. Jerk pork, that is it. I'm gonna get that grill, that char on there first. So that is it, people. Just giving it a char and get all that seasoning in there. You know what I'm saying? Fully active. Yeah, that is it. It's quite difficult to make sure you don't burn this. There was a bit too much char. On the other side I didn't want already, but it's all right. It's not too bad. Yeah, no, it's fine. Just got to keep an eye on it from now. Yes, people, I need some cherry wood to smoke this. So I'm just going to rip off the bits of cherry and the leaves off of it. Yeah, that is it. All right, got some cherry wood to smoke it now. That is it. Snap up this now into smaller bits. Fully active. If you ain't pressed that like button, please do. Get the video moving. Yeah. Good vibes. Chop up this last bit with a yeah. All right, next stage, people. Oh, I can smell that already. So we just got it there. You know what I'm saying? Make that grind for me, make that heat up and get the smoking. Big up everybody, man. Enough respect for supporting the channel, you know what I'm saying? Each and every time, people. All right, we're gonna smoke it right now. So we're just waiting for these to heat up because they was a bit wet where they just come straight off the tree, but they soon dry out and soon start give off some smoke. We've got that over there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So make that guan smoke out now for a little while. There we go, there we go, there we go. That's what we want to see. That I've wedged the something in there with a cherry leaf. You get me? Yes. Now we're gonna start getting that flavor into it, people. Yeah. Mad ting. Bumba clout. That's just been smoking. For ages. I've been on live for ages. So yeah, gonna put this some more heat now. It's quite low anyway. So bumba clout, that looks good. At this point, people, I'm just cutting this now, having a look, see what it looks like inside. There we go. Let's have a look what this is saying now. Look at that, juicy. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep this going for a bit longer. Let's have a look at that bit. Nice. Look at that, people. Good vibes. For the last bit, people, just gonna get these bits straight on there. And there we go. Jerk pork. Honey jerk pork, should I say. I keep forgetting to say honey. After a good few hours, she's ready. Honey jerk pork. I know pork's not for everybody, but oh, look, you see the ribs there, people. Jesus Christ. All right, now let's just get this onto here. Yeah. And this. Fully active. That is it, people. Fully active. Let's get this indoors and chop it up. We're cooking up some dumplings to go with it today, people. Look at that. Honey jerk pork. It's not a game. It is not a game. Look at that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Jeez. That looks sexy, doesn't it? Jerk pork, people. Look at that. Honey jerk pork, people. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Fully active, people. Look at that jerk pork. You see the ribs there. Let's get down on these ribs. From there. Ho, ho, ho. Go around that side there. There we go. There we go. Little chop there. Bomba. Look at that. That is a jerk rib, people. Yeah, that is a proper jerk rib. No games. Honey jerk pork rib. Oh, look at that. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Put that one in there. All right, let's get another one there. That is it. Yeah. Let's go around that side there, people. One of the inside ones. That crunch with that crispiness on the back of the pork there. And there we go. There we got another one. Beautiful, juicy jerk pork honey rib. That one goes in there as well. Let's just put that to the side and have a look at this big, nice slab here. We can just, hold on, let me get a good hold on that, people. There. Get into that. Unbuckle that. There we go. There we go. And then what we do with this, look at that. We just, sorry, juicy. It's juicy, people. And then we just, yeah. That is amazing. Look at that. Jerk pork smoked on the barbecue for hours. Chuck that in there. Chop up the rest of this. And a good vibe, people. Oh my God, if you could smell this right now. There it is, all chopped up. Look, we got the two ribs there. We got, look. That is a proper bit of jerk pork. We've got our pepper sauce there. Obviously, we've got our dumplings there. We're in the game. Yeah, we are in the game. Taste time. Even a little bit of escovitch goes really nice with the jerk pork as well, people. Let's have a little taste of this. Let's go straight for the rib. That's so good. That is so good, people. All right, I'm gonna dip a little bit of this in the escovitch. That is real good. That is 10 out of 10, people. We got Swell Mill Butchers again for that lovely bit That's pork. That is where that's from. You know what I'm saying, so. Right through, even them inside bits. I haven't got any char or anything. You can taste the smoke all the way through it. 13 out of 10. Gummy part. I love the gummy part with the hot sauce this time. It's 13 out of 10. That is a proper bit of jerk pork, that is. Telling you. Dumpling. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Because I did. I love you lot. Big up.